So the next topic is operating system. The most important system software of the computer is the operating system. It manages the computer hardware and software programs and is responsible for the smooth functioning of the computer. So what does first point is trying to say? That means operating system, in short we can say that OS operating system is the most important part of the system software. Why? Because it manages the computer hardware and computer programs, and it is also responsible for the smooth functioning of the computer. Operating system, what generally does that it manages computer hardware and computer programs. Computer hardware means keyboard, mouse, printer, speaker. These are the computer hardwares. It manages this, and software programs. Software programs means, so there will be a program or there will be an inbuilt program in operating system of mouse, of keyboard, of printer, of speaker. Then only you can able to type with the help of keyboard, or then only you can use your mouse, or you can with the help of mouse you can point any file or folder. Then only you can able to print the pages if that particular software is installed in your system. So all these works are taken care by operating system. The next point is the operating system is the first program to be loaded when the computer is turned on. Its basic function is to manage all hardware components attached to the computer and all the software installed on the computer memory. So what is second point is trying to say? Whenever you will buy a new desktop or new laptop, whenever the system is on or switched on for the first time, the very first program installed is OS, operating system. For example, Windows 7, Windows 8. These are the examples of operating system. Windows Home Basic, Windows 7 Vista. These are the different examples of operating system. तो जब भी हम लैपटॉप या सिस्टम खरीदते हैं, डेस्कटॉप खरीदते हैं, तो जैसे ही उसको ऑन करते हैं तो सबसे पहला चीज़ जो उसमें लोड किया जाता है दैट इज़ ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम. क्यों लोड किया जाता है? बिकॉज इट मैनेजेस ऑल हार्डवेयर कंपोनेंट्स एंड सॉफ्टवेयर कंपोनेंट्स इंस्टॉल्ड ऑन दैट पर्टिकुलर कंप्यूटर और लैपटॉप. दिस is the main function of operating system. Let's move to the next slide. So these are the functions of operating system. Now let us see what are the functions of operating system. The operating system manages the working of a processor by assigning work to it. ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम क्या करता है? डिफरेंट प्रोसेसर को डिफरेंट वर्क असाइन कर देता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल विल टेक हार्ड डिस्क ड्राइव. द हार्ड डिस्क ड्राइव मीन्स the main function of hard disk drive is to store the data. The operating system has assigned the work to hard disk drive only to store the data. This is called assigning work to it, or assigning work to different process. Second point, the OS, that means operating system, keeps record of all the files and directories in an organized way. That means suppose if you have made one file on your laptop or on your desktop. So after making one folder of file, suppose you have made a folder. After making one folder, you will make another folder. And next day you will make another folder. And very next day you will make another folder. That means total 3 to 4 folders you have made. So the main function of operating system is to organize that particular folders according to date wise, time wise. So this is known as keeping record of all the files and directories in an organized way. When which file is being created, all these things will be kept in an organized way by operating system. Third point, it provides security to the computer by means of password and different user accounts. That means no one should, or you can say that no one can open your system. Only you will be able to open your system with the only when you have created an password or login ID in your particular desktop or laptop. So this feature is being provided by operating system. The last point is it assigns memory to the different application software when they need it. Operating system क्या करता है? सपोज आपने को गेम इंस्टॉल करना है, तो गेम इंस्टॉल करने के लिए यू नीड ए मेमोरी, तो ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम आपको उतनी मेमोरी प्रोवाइड कराता है. सपोज आपका गेम 2 GB का है, तो ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम आपको 2 GB की मेमोरी प्रोवाइड कराता है. सो दीज आर द मेन फंक्शंस ऑफ द ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम. In the next slide, we will see the popular computer operating system and the popular mobile operating system. You all are very familiar with this Windows OS and Windows operating system which we use in our computer lab. और आपके घर पे भी अगर सिस्टम है, लैपटॉप है, तो हम उसमें यही विंडोज़ का यूज़ किया जाता है ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम. And the next is Mac operating system. Mac operating system is Macintosh operating system which are used in the Apple laptops and in Apple desktop. जो एप्पल कंपनी है उसके लैपटॉप और उसके डेस्कटॉप में हम जो ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम यूज़ करते हैं वो है मैक ओएस यानी मैकिन्टोश ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम. एंड द यूबुंटू, द नेक्स्ट ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम इज यूबुंटू ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम. नाउ विल कम टू पॉपुलर मोबाइल ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम. द मोस्ट पॉपुलर ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम इन मोबाइल इज एंड्रॉयड ओएस. दैट मीन्स एंड्रॉयड ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम. आप सबके पास मोबाइल फ़ोन है, स्मार्टफोन है, उस स्मार्टफोन में जो ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम है वो कौन सा है? एंड्रॉयड ओएस. दैट मीन्स ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम. एंड द नेक्स्ट वन इज विंडोज़ फोन ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम. आई थिंक यू पीपल हैव रिमेंबर दैट माइक्रोसॉफ्ट हैव लॉन्च्ड हिज फोन. माइक्रोसॉफ्ट कंपनी ने अपना फ़ोन लॉन्च किया था विद द ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम विंडोज़. द ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम वॉज विंडोज़ ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम. एंड द नेक्स्ट इज iOS. iOS means Apple operating system. This operating system is installed in your Apple mobile phones, not on the laptop or desktop. This operating system, that means iOS, is been installed on your Apple mobile phones. And BlackBerry operating system, you all know that there is a company called BlackBerry company which is the largest manufacturer of mobile phones. तो जो मोबाइल फ़ोन ब्लैकबेरी अपना खुद का मैन्युफैक्चर करती है उसमें अपना खुद का ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम डालती है. वो ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम का नाम है ब्लैकबेरी ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम. सो दीज आर द फ्यू एग्जांपल्स ऑफ कंप्यूटर ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम एंड मोबाइल ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम.